If you've ever tried to use Copilot and felt like the response wasn't really what you were looking for, you're not alone. A lot of times, a small change in how you ask can make a big difference in what you get back. So today, I'm going to show you how to turn a basic prompt into something that actually gives you a useful result. So my friend is trying to use Copilot to plan their weekend, but isn't quite satisfied with the results. What did you ask?
Just plan my weekend, and this is what I got. They're good ideas, but it's kind of random.
This is a really common starting point. And you're right, it's not bad, but right now you're just getting general ideas. And I know Copilot can do much better. When you ask something like plan my weekend, Copilot doesn't know where you are, what you like, or what kind of plans you're actually looking for. The prompt is pretty broad.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
You don't need to make it complicated, just give it a little more direction. Start with 3 things: what you want, a little context, and what a good answer looks like. What kind of weekend are you hoping to have?
Honestly, something like pretty relaxed, here in town would be ideal.
Okay, we'll start typing, plan a relaxed weekend in San Diego. Do you want to be out and about or more low-key?
The weather is great, so getting outside would be fun.
Okay, with outdoor activities. What about budget?
Yeah, I don't want to spend a ton.
Okay, low-cost options.
And it would be nice to have some downtime, not too many plans packed back to back.
That's helpful. A mix of time to recharge and see friends. So here's our new prompt. Plan a relaxed weekend in San Diego with outdoor activities, low-cost options, and a mix of time to recharge and seeing friends.
That's exactly what I was actually looking for.
Now that we're giving Copilot a little more to work with, let's see what we can get back.
This is actually really good, way closer to what I wanted my weekend to look like.
It has enough context to give you something more specific and usable now. And you can keep refining it too with more direction and follow-up prompts. You can ask to keep any activities under a specific budget amount or focus on a specific location you want to be in. Copilot will update its response based on your new requests, building on what you already told it, so it gets closer and closer to what you actually need.
I can totally see it now. The more details I give about what I'm looking for, the better response it is.
Exactly. The key takeaway here is how you ask really matters. Context, preferences, or even the kind of result you're looking for all shape Copilot's answers. Better prompts equals better results. Now you know what can turn your Copilot prompts from something generic to something that gets you helpful results. If you want to make sure you're getting the most out of Copilot, follow along for more tips each week.